We've all been there. You work hard, put in the hours, but that paycheck seems to take forever to arrive. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly you're scrambling to make ends meet. That's where services like DailyPay come in, promising access to your earned wages before your official payday. But here's the real question. Can just anyone sign up for DailyPay? Let's dive deep and explore everything you need to know about DailyPay and how to access your hard-earned cash a little sooner. How does it work? Imagine this, you've clocked in all week, sweat dripping, deadlines met. DailyPay steps in, offering an alternative to the traditional paycheck cycle. They essentially connect with your employer's payroll system, allowing you to transfer a portion of your already earned wages before your designated payday. Think of it as a cash advance on your own income, minus any crazy interest rates or hidden fees. Sounds pretty sweet, right? So, can you just sign up? Not quite. Here's the thing. DailyPay doesn't operate independently. They partner with specific companies to offer their service as an employee benefit. If your employer isn't signed up with DailyPay, then you won't be able to create an individual account. How to find out if DailyPay is available? The good news? It's easy to check. Here are a couple of ways. Payroll department. Reach out to your HR department or whoever handles payroll at your company. They'll be able to confirm if DailyPay is a current employee benefit. Company website. Many companies will proudly announce their partnership with DailyPay on their official website. Check the benefits section or search for keywords like early access to wages or DailyPay. Signing up for DailyPay if available. If your employer offers DailyPay, creating an account is a breeze. Download the app or visit the website. DailyPay has a user-friendly app and a website where you can sign up. Enter your information. You'll need your basic details like email address, phone number, and potentially your employee ID. Connect your bank account. DailyPay needs to know where to send your hard-earned cash, so link your preferred bank account for easy transfers. Verification. DailyPay might require some additional verification steps to confirm your identity and employment status. This is a normal security measure. Once everything is set up, you can access your earned wages and transfer them to your bank account whenever you need the most. DailyPay, pros and cons, making an informed decision. While DailyPay offers undeniable convenience, it's wise to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. Pros. Access your earned wages sooner. No more waiting for payday. DailyPay empowers you to manage your finances with more flexibility. Cover unexpected expenses. Car troubles? Surprise medical bill? DailyPay can be a lifesaver when unexpected costs arise. Avoid predatory loans. DailyPay can be a much better alternative to payday loans with their sky-high interest rates. Cons. Transfer fees. DailyPay may charge a small fee for each transfer you make. Be sure to understand the fee structure before using the service. Temptation to overspend. Having early access to money can be tempting, so be mindful of your budget and avoid overspending. Not universally available. As mentioned before, DailyPay relies on employer partnerships. It won't be an option for everyone. DailyPay offers a unique solution for managing your finances. If your employer provides DailyPay as a benefit, it can be a valuable tool for greater financial flexibility. However, be sure to understand the fees involved and use it responsibly to avoid overspending. Remember, DailyPay is simply a way to access your already earned wages sooner. It's not a free loan, so make sure it fits your financial plan before signing up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.